Your customer is looking for ways to reduce energy consumption. You consider retrofit lighting, but it may require a sacrifice between glare control, cutting costs, and ease of installation. What if you didn't have to make sacrifices? LBR, the Lithonia Basic Retrofit, is exactly what you need in a retrofit downlight. LBR offers a simple install from below with a broad aperture range. Accessories allow you to create a perfect solution for any renovation project while still saving on energy consumption, labor costs, and time. But it doesn't stop there. We integrated switchable features for CCTs and lumen options, so you have more flexibility at a job site. Did we mention that emergency battery backup, wall wash, and wet location options are available as well? Plus, it's affordable. With LBR, you don't have to compromise quality to maximize savings. Give customers and their occupants the glare-free experience they deserve while generating real ROI and sustainability in your downlighting.